Welcome to our exploration of unique mutations in different cancers of the digestive system. If you watched our previous videos, you would know that we tell science stories in simple ways that everybody can understand. Today, the Margaret Dayhoff team is discussing 5 cancers that affect the digestive system.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. First, let us briefly talk about the basics. The digestive system is a marvelous network of organs and tissues responsible for breaking down food into nutrients that our bodies can absorb and use for energy, growth, and repair. It starts in the mouth where food is ingested and initially broken down by enzymes. It then travels through the esophagus to the stomach, where stomach juices and enzymes further break it down. From there, it moves to the small intestine, which is like a long twisty hallway inside your body, where most of the good stuff, like nutrients, vitamins, and minerals are absorbed into the bloodstream. Finally, undigested food and waste travel to the large intestine, where water is absorbed, and the remaining waste is eliminated through the rectum and anus as poop.
This system is crucial for providing our body with essential nutrients and maintaining overall health and function. However, cancer may disrupt the processes of the digestive system. Cancer is a complex disease where cells in the body grow out of control, forming tumors. To understand a cancer, let's start with how our cells normally function. Our body is like a city with buildings representing different parts, such as the stomach or lungs. Inside these buildings are workers called cells.
Cells have important jobs like helping us grow, fixing injuries, and keeping everything running smoothly. But sometimes, these cells can start acting a little funny. Instead of doing their job like they were supposed to, they start growing too much and making copies of themselves when they shouldn't. They can crowd out the normal cells and make it hard for our body to work the way it should. These anomalies may be due to genetic predisposition. This means it may be inherited from parents. They may also be due to lifestyle choices such as poor diet and environmental exposures by exposure to cancer-causing substances such as tobacco smoke, ultraviolet UV radiation from the sun, certain chemicals, or some hormonal imbalances.
Unfortunately, cancer can develop in any part of the body including the digestive system. It may affect the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, also known as the colon, liver, pancreas, gallbladder, bile duct, and anus. These cancers can affect how we process food and eliminate waste. Cancer may also affect the upper digestive tract. Do not worry about the big name. It is pretty simple. It is formed from 2 words, aero, which means respiratory, that is, breathing, and digestive. This includes the lips, tongue, gums, floor of the mouth, throat, and voice box. When cancer happens in these areas, it can affect eating, swallowing, and even speaking.
Now let us talk about what this research entails. Firstly, we will obtain our data from the Cancer Cell Line Encyclopedia. Rather than books, this encyclopedia contains information about cell lines of various types of cancers. For our research, we are selecting 5 digestive cancers. They are cancers of the stomach, pancreas, large intestine, upper digestive tract, and esophagus. When we collect the data, we'll pre-process the data to make sure the quality and consistency are correct. Because garbage in, garbage out. We will then analyze these data using computational processes to identify the mutations and determine whether they are common across the system or unique to each cancer type. This analysis would also tell us how these similarities or differences affect how cancers work.
Wow! That sounds interesting. Who's excited? Join this amazing team on this journey as they uncover the beautiful genetic landscape of digestive system cancers. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights.